So how you can actually double up your income? Okay, so the first point to actually double up your income is your income, obviously. So if you don't have a source of income, so first of all you need to have a source of income. Go and you have to do some kind of job. You have to get into a company, or you have to do a 9 to 5, anything but first you have to secure a source of income, and then you have to think about how you can actually increase it. Okay, so if there is no sooner chance of getting a promotion or anything by which you can actually increase your income, the best way is to start something side by side. Just start a side hustle. You can join a part-time job, or you can run your own business side by side, or anything. You can sell anything. Means you should have something side by side which is going to generate the money and bring that money into your pocket, right? You have to do that. So that's the first point. You have to find a way in which you can increase the money that is coming to you. Okay. The second point is expense. Obviously, you have to start living below your means. Okay. Start to cut off the cost, the expense, okay, where the unuseful things in which you are actually investing or spending a lot of your money. There are always just choose the alternative options of those expensive companies' products that you are actually buying, eating something. Okay, there are always an alternative. Instead of drinking the coffee from Starbucks, you can actually make the coffee at your home. Okay, it will be a lot more cheaper. Or go and drink in a local coffee shop. Okay, so by applying these things into your day-to-day life, you can actually going to save a lot of money, and you know exactly, right? You should have a proper expense data. Okay, you have to actually maintain your expense record. Okay, you have to record everything where you are actually spending your money, so that you can actually going to analyze it, and you can actually differentiate where you can actually cut off the cost, and what things are good and what things that you really need to buy, and these all sort of things. But you have to actually have, you should be actually seeing that thing, right? So you should have to keep an expense record with yourself. So the third thing is investment. You have the money that you are actually earning, okay, the money that is actually coming. You have to actually make sure that the money is being working for you. It is not settling at a bank or something. Okay, you have to be investing that money in some stocks, or the best investment options that I think you guys know very well, as you are more experienced. As I am not a financial guy here. Okay, I'm just here to give you the knowledge that I have got. As these points I have got from the video that I have seen recently by a great entrepreneur, and I really follow him. His name is Patrick Ben David. Okay, I just saw his video this morning, and it really was so good, and I really wanted to just share it to more people by making my own version of it. So that is what I am doing. So the main purpose of this video, okay, as I am not a financial guy, okay, just is to actually see that if I am actually able to articulate, okay, I'm just here to improve my English communication. So this video is, I am making this for myself and for others also, but mostly for myself, as I really want to improve my communication skill. Okay, and the videos that I have made is actually, or the videos that I am going to make is because that I really want to see myself improving. Okay, if I am improving or not, so that I can analyze. So these are the data that I am actually collecting every day. Okay, and sit and analyze where I am making the mistakes. Okay, so that is why I am making these videos every day, and to check my articulation, if I can able to express the things that I have learned, the takeaways that I have got from the video. So yes, that is the main purpose of making this video. Okay, so yeah, the investment is the third point, I think. Okay, so the fourth is taxes. So you should be seeing, okay, so I also don't have that much amount of knowledge. I have very limited amount of knowledge in this financial field, but the taxes is the fourth point, I think. Yes, fourth point is the taxes. You should be seeing the options available where you can actually save the money from the taxes, obviously, right? So the taxes is the fourth point, and the fifth is the identity. Your identity, that is a very crucial part of it. Okay, what kind of identity you are carrying by yourself? If you have a good identity, you are going to pull a lot of cash. Okay, you are going to attract the money by itself, by yourself only. Okay, the money is going to get attracted by you, because just say for an example, okay, a person who has a great identity, who has a lot of skills, who has the ability, who has a great personality, okay, which is worth lakhs, okay, and he knew that, because, and he also knew that the personality, the identity he has, the skills he has, the persona he carries is worth lakhs. So in life, he's actually going to make lakhs, okay, not less than that, okay, because the people around that guy are actually going to notice that this guy is different from anybody around. Okay, that is what identity does. You actually going to outstand from the rest of the people surrounding you. So that is what it is. You should build an identity. You should have if you have a goal that to make a lakh, 10 lakh rupees, or anything, any amount of money you have, just see that what standards that I have to rise up to. Okay, because you have to match that level. You have to create your identity to match that level. Okay, so that then only you are going to attract or get that much amount of money. So identity is very important. So these are the 5 points that I have learned from the video from Patrick Ben-David's, and that video was 8 to 7 years back. So it was a very old video that I have just found on my YouTube feed. So, and that was a worth of watching video. And if I found that video, I'm going to put the link in the description. So yes, you should also check that out. And yeah, that is it for it, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.